guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about today's video because today I finally got the chance to announce that I am now officially a Sigma Beauty affiliate, and I feel really proud to be associated with Sigma. And now you can use my own code to get a discount at Sigma. I would put the code right here and also the affiliate link down below in the description box. Check it out if you want to support me and if you want to use my code. So I got this huge package from Sigma as a welcome gift, and I got a lot of goodies. So today I just wanted to show you guys all the things that I've got, and maybe I would be using a couple of them today to create a look. So this is how the inside of the box looks. It's very pretty. I love the pink. And then these are all the goodies that I got. It would be a little difficult to show like this. I'm just gonna keep it down and show you all the things one by one. So this is just a catalog and like a welcome card. And then the first thing in the box that you can see is this Sigma brush cleaning mat. I have the small mini size of this and I find it really helpful, so I'm really excited to try this one out. So the next thing that I got are some brushes. So this is their 3D HD Kabuki brush. I haven't tried this brush yet, so I'm really excited to try it out. Then I also got 3 more eye brushes. So this one is the Sigma E55 eye shading brush. I already have 3 of these, I believe, and I absolutely love this brush. And this one is the E06 winged liner, and the other one is the E35 tapered blending. This one also I have and I love. So in this kit you get 5 brushes. So this is how it looks. It's the F30 large powder brush, and then we have this duo fiber F50 brush. So this is like, it has duo fiber. It's really soft. I absolutely love this. Oh my god, it's so soft. And the next one is the foundation F60 brush. Now I don't usually use these sort of paddle brushes for my foundation, but maybe I can use it for concealer or some other things. The next one is this large angled contour. This is the F40. This looks really good to contour, or maybe you can also use this for your blush. And the last one in this kit is the concealer F70 brush. And that's not all. We have some more goodies in this box. There are some makeup. So first things, these are 2 liquid brush cleaner samples. I'm gonna try them out and see. This is one liquid lipstick. This is from their Creme de Couture line. So the next thing I already opened and I used. So this is the Sinuosity, I don't know how to pronounce it, Sinuosity lash curling mascara. So it's a mascara from Sigma. And then the next thing is this lip eclipse. It's basically like a lip gloss. And then the last thing in this box is the Sigma Stand Out Eyes Gel Liner. So this is in the shade Wicked, which is black. And the last thing in this box is this Sigma Beauty Brilliant and Spellbinding Eyeshadow Palette. So these are all the shades. If you can see, it's really pretty. And I got this F87 Edge Kabuki brush. So now finally onto makeup, and I'm gonna try and use as many products from Sigma that I can, which I feel is appropriate, so that I can just show you guys the usage of the brushes or all the makeup that I just showed you. So anyways, the first thing that I'm gonna apply on my face is this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger and apply it. I'm just dotting it all over my face, and then I'm just gonna use a brush to blend it out. Now I never use a brush to blend out my primers, and you don't even have to do it, but I really want to try out this brush and I just want to use it to blend out my primer. It just feels so soft on the skin, my good lord. And then for my foundation, today I'm going to be using this Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I'm in the shade beige. So I'm just gonna draw a few lines all over my face, and then I'm gonna use the 3D HD Kabuki by Sigma to blend it out. Let's see how this brush works. Now this brush is perfect when you want to blend your foundation in these crevices, so it can reach all the nooks and crannies of your face, and it just makes things a lot faster. You can just use it for your foundation and then for your concealer as well. So I'm done with my foundation, and now for my concealer. Today I'm going to be using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to apply a little bit underneath my eyes in a triangular shape, and then I'm also going to apply in my chin, a little bit in my forehead, and also my nose bridge. And to blend the concealer out, I'm gonna use the Sigma Edge Kabuki F87. So let's just go underneath the eyes and see how it works. I think this brush works really well for the under eye because of all these like edges. You can go right underneath your eyes, and also like the inner corner part is also very easy to blend with this. I actually really like this brush. And then to set my under eye area, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I'm actually gonna attempt to use the same brush, the Edge Kabuki, to set my under eye area. Let's just see how it works. I think it works perfectly fine with the powder as well to set your under eye. It makes it so much faster, and it would also be really handy if you are into baking your under eye area. I think it would be great because it can pick up a lot of powder, as you can see. So you just kind of like stamp it underneath your eyes and you're done. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm gonna apply it with this large powder brush. This brush picks up quite a lot of powder, so you don't need to go into the pan many times. And then to contour, today I'm gonna use the Sleek Highlight and Contour palette. So just suck in your cheeks, make the fishy face, and put it in the hollows of your cheeks. Now with this brush, you're not gonna get a very chiseled cut contour because it's very soft. So it kind of gives a really nice soft contour to the face. I think it would also be perfect if you just want to bronze up your face really quickly, or for a light contouring like on an everyday basis. This one would work really well. And I'm gonna apply a little bit on the edge of my forehead. And for my blush today, I'm gonna be using this Tarte 12-Hour Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Embellish, and I'm actually gonna use the same Sigma brush to apply it. I think this brush would work perfectly for blush as well. In fact, I feel it would work better for blush than for contour, especially if you like kind of a chiseled contouring. And to highlight my face, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. Now surprisingly, I don't have any highlighting brush from Sigma, so I'm just gonna use this E35 tapered blending brush, which is basically for eyeshadows, but still I'm just gonna try and use it for my highlight because so far I've just been using Sigma brushes and I don't want to change it now. Now the main problem is that this brush is a little too small, especially like for your cheekbones. I think for the nose area it would be perfect. Yes, yeah, for the nose, and also for your cupid's bow it would work really well. And then to set my base makeup, I'm gonna use my NYX Dewy Finish makeup setting spray. Alright, so now I'm back with one eye done and my eyebrows as well. For my eyebrows, I've used Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade, which is in the shade medium. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. So at first I'm gonna use my MAC Painterly paint pot, and I'm gonna use the same Sigma Concealer F70 brush. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this primer all over my eyelid. Then I'm gonna use the Balm's Meet Matte Trimini palette, and from here I'm gonna take this matte off-white sort of a shade, and I'm gonna apply it with this Sigma E35 brush, the brush that I used earlier to apply my highlight. And now I'm just gonna apply this color all over my eyelid. This is gonna help set the eye primer. Then I'm gonna go into the Sigma palette, and with the Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm gonna take a mixture of these two shades right here and apply it on my crease. Now, as I have hooded eyes, I take my transition shades a lot high. And then from the Balm palette, I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna apply it on my outer corner. And I'm using the Sigma E25 blending brush. This is one of my most favorite brushes, not just from Sigma actually, like any brand. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush. I own, I think, 3 or 4 of these same brushes. And I'm gonna drag this color on my crease area as well. And then just to warm up the crease area a little bit more, I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and from here I'm gonna take this shade right here in the corner, and with the Sigma E40 brush I'm gonna apply it right over here. And then I'm gonna take the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, and I'm gonna take the Sigma Concealer brush and just apply this on my eyes. Now this I'm actually using like an eyeshadow base because I want the next eyeshadow to look darker and more intense. And while the base is still a little sticky and has not set completely, I'm gonna use this really pretty gray shade from the Sigma palette, and I'm gonna apply it with the Sigma E55 shading brush, and I'm just gonna stamp it on top of the black base. This shade has a lot of tiny glitter particles, so the eyeshadow base makes it really easy for the glitters to stick and stay on the lid. And then whatever is left in the brush, I'm just gonna try and blend out the edge so that there's no harshness. And then with a Sigma E45 brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of this black shade and apply it on the outer corner because I want a little bit of darkness and depth on the outer corner. And I'm also gonna apply just the tiniest bit in my crease. And now to line my waterline, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. This is in the shade Perversion. And then I'm going to take the same gray shade from the Sigma palette, and I'm going to use it with a pencil E30 brush and apply it on my lower lash line. And for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade with another Sigma E30 pencil brush and just apply it on my inner corner. And then I'm going to line my eyes with the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner and the small tiny wing liner brush. This is the E06. So the brush is very tiny. You can create really thin lines with this brush. And then to take this look up a notch, I'm gonna use this NYX white eyeliner, but I'm just gonna try and create a very thin line right on top of the black one. And it's okay if this liner gets a little messy or isn't perfect, because we are gonna go on top of this with a glitter eyeliner. And today I'm using this NYX Crystal Glitter Liquid Liner, and this is in the shade Crystal Silver. So I'm just gonna apply this right on top of the white liner. Alrighty, so then I'm gonna use the Sigma mascara. This is the Sinuosity Lash Mascara. And for my lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Demi Wisp Base. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Sigma Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade New Mauve. So it seems like it's kind of like a mousse consistency. So this is the finished look. I actually really like how it turned out, but my top doesn't at all match my look. Maybe I should just change it and come back. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Wait. So I'm back again, and this is the finished look, and I really like how it turned out. I'm quite impressed with it. So do let me know in the comments below what you think of this look, and if you're a Sigma lover like me, then don't forget to use my discount code. Everything would be down below in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. So until next time, take care and bye-bye.